Fixed income earners have only until 5 p.m. tomorrow to file their income tax returns for taxable year 2013. The BIR says there will be no extension of the deadline. Haji Camino reports.
Taxi operator Mang Eli was one of the taxpayers who didn't want to join last-minute filers of their income tax returns. A day before the scheduled deadline, Mang Eli filed his ITR at the Revenue Region 7 office in Quezon City.
Ine-expect namin sir na maraming tao bukas kaya ngayon pala marami na rin kaya okay na rin ano. Compare lang kahapon sana nag-file din nga sana kami para hindi mahaba yung pila. Oo sir, kahit na mainit. Pero nakakatuwa sir, medyo mas maayos ngayon kaysa last year. May nakita pa nga ako mga tubig kaya hindi tayo mauuhaw ngayon dito.
Accountant Marcia Sangalang meanwhile made it all the way from Cainta just to file her ITR.
Ang usual reason na ayoko na makisabay bukas. Dapat nga earlier pa, client ko tong pinafile ko. Kahapon lang namin natapos.
Despite the exodus of taxpayers, the Revenue Region 7 in Quezon City ensured readiness, especially on the last day of filing. A tarpaulin showing the step-by-step procedure of filing was placed at the entrance to avoid confusion. 6 stations were situated by the BIR for taxpayers, including the tax computation and assistance desk, special desk for persons with disabilities or PWDs, pregnant women and senior citizens, medical assistance desk, and lane for filing of ITR without payment. Authorities also assured smooth flow of procedure just like last year except for minor improvements.
Yung sistema natin ginawa no nakaraang taon ay in-improve lang natin no. Like for instance this time naglagay tayo ng lane para sa mga senior citizen, sa mga pregnant women at saka mga persons with disability. So para hindi na sila sasali doon sa mahabang pila sa mga younger ones, so yung walang problema. Another medyo kinuha natin is nag-put up tayo ng isang station para doon sa mga taxpayer na nagpa-file ng sobra sa limang returns para naman hindi masyado silang nagtatambay at naiinip yung nakasunod sa kanila sa daming dala nilang returns. So gumawa tayo ng special lane para sa kanila kung saan doon sila magpa-file para medyo bumilis naman yung pila ng ibang mga nagpa-file.
More than 300,000 self-employed individuals and corporations filed their income tax returns last year. Director Amora also stressed the consequences that they could face if they fail to submit.
Pag lumagpas tayo bukas, may mga kaukulang penalties yan. 25% surcharge, may interest pa na 20% per year up to the time magbayad kayo, at may kadagdagan pa yung compromise penalty depende sa basic tax na babayaran ninyo. So yun yung mga penalty na magiging babayaran nila kung sakaling hindi sila makahabol hanggang bukas.
The deadline is set on Tuesday, April 15 at exactly 5 o'clock in the afternoon. BIR said there will be extension for those who will fail. So for taxpayers, remember RFP. Register, file, and pay. For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino.